Hi guys, let's try to open this box and see what all the hype is about. Let's try. Today's product review is about something I never thought I would try. Mouth tape. Yes, it's actual tape for sleeping. I know it sounds like a bit crazy, but people were raving about how it's actually work for snoring, dry mouth, and overall sleep naturally. I had to give it a try. This tape is made with bamboo silk material, drug-free, dermatologically tested. One pack give you 30 supply and it's designed to improve sleep effectively. When you open the box, there is even a £15 voucher for your next purchase. It costs just £8.19 with free shipping. Honestly, it's pretty affordable for better sleep. Let me show you how to use this mouth tape. Using it is really simple. Wash and thoroughly dry your lips and surrounding skin. Break the protective liner in the center, peel from the middle, and apply with a relaxed closed mouth. Using a mirror helps for precise placement. Just pinch your lips slightly and apply and smooth firmly for secure adhesion. The vented design is not tight so you can breathe comfortably while sleeping. After using it for a week, I wake up without a sore throat and actually feel rested. Mornings not feel like struggling. The funny part is, it's literally just a piece of tape, but somehow it's working. If anyone wanted to try this for better sleep, just click on our yellow basket and check it out. If you really like this video, just don't forget to follow and subscribe for more product reviews like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.